Tired of typing the same meeting notes every week? Learn how to create a reusable meeting template in Otter.ai in under 3 minutes. We'll walk through your profile settings, pick a ready-made template, customize it, and publish it to your account. Let's dive in. Go to the home page. Click your profile at top left. Then click Account Settings. Click the Templates tab at the top. Then hit New Template to start building your own. Here are the available templates. For example, let's choose Team Meeting. Go ahead and click Use Template to load it up. Now you can rename it to whatever works for you. Then, when you're happy with it, click Publish at the top right, and you're all set. Enjoy your new meeting template. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.